Another stream. Hopefully everybody's having a good day so far. It's another beautiful day in the market. A lot of chop going on here, which is basically what we expected this morning. We do have CPI data coming out tomorrow. With the way that the options market's looking right now, it's pretty juiced. I would expect it to beat a little bit, but again, nobody really knows what's going to happen with CPI. There was a lot of money to be made today. You just had to know where to look. Tessie, little 200 EMA rejection right there. I was flipping some Nancy a little this morning too that you guys saw. But yeah, so we're going to get a little bit more volatility probably off of the midterms. Now, we do have to kind of wait and see what's going to happen a little bit later in the day with this crypto situation with FTX and Binance. From what I know right now, the Binance actually pulled that offer. Not great. So if FTX is actually having issues, like we said in yesterday's video, and they cannot basically generate the money to get out of this liquidity crunch, then you could see a lot more volatility in the crypto markets, which could then come over into the stock market here too. But again, team, this is a public live. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the way in, it helps spread these streams out to some more people over here. And again, we got some pretty solid info that we're going to be going over today. Let's see what happens with the market going into the end of the day. Hot Potato, how you doing? Ooh, you guys are killing it so far. Let's see. Yeah, again, costs you nothing to do. It helps me out a whole lot over here. So Apple finally slipped here. What I was watching for, Apple at this key level of support, we've had this level drawn out for a very long time. It's right around 136.50. It just slipped. SPY is now moving lower here. You got a nice move up on this little pop here, which was pretty cool, but was not able to basically hold it. Now, again, what we're looking at on Tesla today too, potentially falling down to 180 here. But how you guys doing? You guys having a good day? Really, really solid day out here, man. I mean, another day in the market, another day to make money. Let's do it. Test the 52-week lows. Yeah. Commander Vlogs, what's up, team? Moto, Lofty, Andy, Hot Potato, Marky Mark, Pepe, MB Doctor, Christian Valdez. What's up, team? How we doing? Hopefully everybody's doing good today, huh? Currently up 25%, 3-day win streak. Fuck yeah, man. I mean, we were going over all those Invictus plays yesterday. 25% on the portfolio. That's amazing, man. That is absolutely awesome. Congratulations, dude. AMC barcoding hard. Don't even bring, dude. If you can't take the emotional damage that I will serve out today, we're gonna leave that thing where it is. We can go on a whole entire rant if you want, but we'll probably leave that for later. What's up, Vix? Crushing it over here on crypto with 1348. Prince City, Tor, my man. There you go. Seriously already. Yeah, dude. Come on. I told you. Told you. Let's see. SPY bouncing back up here a little bit. I mean, I've had that assumption today that I don't really think that they're going to move it too far away from 380 going into CPI. So we'll see what happens here. You could definitely see a little bit of a run going into the end of the day here, but it already rejected this 200 EMA. You got this really nice pop here that I did have some calls on. That I basically scaled out of almost all of them. So now I have a last little runner that's completely free at this point. So I'm going to let that thing ride. But let's see. Team, how you guys doing? Everybody having a good day today? Let's see. Hey, so much damage control. On what? Are people trying to do damage control? Oh, boy. All right. Let's see. Yeah, Tessie's slipping a little bit. All right, let's see what's going on Twitter. If there's any important news coming through. Let's see. Yeah, coin getting killed. Barkin, personal hypothesis is that the U.S. is on the back end of inflation and that it's coming down. That's an interesting thing to say before CPI comes out tomorrow. Tabasco Dave with a 5.21% Green Day. Fuck yeah, buddy. Democrats, U.S. House Campaign Chair Maloney, too early to know the outcome in a couple dozen other races or who will hold the House majority. Interesting. So we could see a little bit of volatility off of midterms still. Like number 15, I appreciate that, man. MACD flipping on the SPY. Love to see a good death scaled out quite a bit, but still like to see a move down. Yeah, at this point, why though? Is kind of what I'm thinking. It's like I think a lot of people are going to prepare for CPI. I think towards the end of the day, you could get some nonsense here, up or down. Really, you could see it go. Let's see here. Tesla reversal. Would it back up? No, no, no. I mean, this is just selling off pretty hard here. Broke this key level of support, used it earlier, and then just sold right through it. So, I mean, SPY's trying to make its way back up here to 389. 380 is really that key level where there's a lot of open interest on both sides of the option chain there. So they might try to hold it there. If the buyers can come up and break it, you might get a test of the 200. But other than that, I think it's probably going to fuck around for a while. Elon Musk says he killed official label for Twitter accounts. Interesting. Lick the like button. Damn. That's a bit aggressive there. But yeah, so we've got the midterms going on here. You've been looking at SPY on the daily and it's confusing. Went back and looked at every time frame and it gets close to costing. And well, the daily is a little bit more interesting on the SPY. There's just so many things moving it. For me, I would trade the SPY more on the 4-hour because you're gonna, and in terms of swinging anyway, like if you look at this on the daily, look at how much nonsense you have to deal with. Like, yeah, it looks like it wants to cross up. You may not have caught it here, but the daily cross down here is flashing all over the place. So what you could have looked for again is more so on the 4-hour where you see it coming down here. So you can catch it below the 200, ride it from 407 all the way down to the support level at 388, and then wait for it to cross up, cross back down again. So for the SPY, I'd be more so on the 4-hour with it. There's just, and again, if you are going to be swinging, you need a lot of time on those contracts, man. Lot of time. I mean, Tessie could come up here. If Apple can get back above this level here, this 136.50, you might see the SPY get a little action here. But this movement on the SPY was really Apple. Apple was holding here, started to pop back up. SPY then started to come along, and you saw that little self-fulfilling prophecy of them starting to run up. Christopher, what's up, man? How you doing? Got you. Makes sense. 4 hours seems more accurate. Yeah, just for the SPY specifically, that's what I would trade. SPY's trying here, but we'll see. We will see. Yeah, Apple trying to get up here a little bit. Tessie tapped 185 and is now trying to bounce up a little bit. Let's see. All right. Oh, nice. That's not terrible. That's not terrible. And then, yeah, so tomorrow we get CPI. Oh, my God. We have a jobs report, too. Holy shit. Tomorrow's crazy. Morning stream was great. SPY dumped, made a ton. Yeah, dude, we kill it on those morning streams. For those of you guys that aren't in there yet, make sure you guys hop in. I think we'll get crushed on Thursday, especially Friday. I mean, we'll see. We'll see. It depends, though. We could make a decent sized move, and the options just won't pay just because of the fact that the IV is going to be so juiced up from what happened on last CPI. That is very, very, very possible there. Let's see. TripAdvisor moving. Watch if Tesla breaks 185 and cascades down. Was that Trip? Yeah, that thing's moving up. That's not bad there. Apple's still trying to fight here. SPY, not so much. Smash the life for my man. I appreciate that, team. We are 2 away from 50 and 52 away from 100. So again, guys, cost nothing, but let's see. All right. Invictus is kind of fucking around over here. Let's see what we're getting. Did Tessie end up breaking? That looks like it would be the move. Flashed it, but it didn't go. Haven't taken a play all day. Yeah, I mean, again, that's what we were talking about this morning. It's been super, super choppy. Like, remember what we said? I was like, I don't really know if I'm going to take all that much today. It's just super, super choppy. Bitcoin on the daily chart? Yes, we can do that. To wait to play options after the data comes out tomorrow. Yeah, that's, I mean, if you want to take a shot at it, you can, but the amount of your portfolio that would make sense to use is super tiny. I mean, Bitcoin back down below 17. What's it on the daily looking like? It looks terrible on the daily. I mean, it was looking okay for a bit, and then the FTX situation came out and just brought this thing down. Now with Binance not going through with the deal, they kind of pulled. They pulled out. I mean, I think this could easily come lower. Like you could target 15,000 here on Bitcoin. It's possible. But again, you're really, really like dependent on the news there. Like if they then come out and are like, yeah, everything's fine, we figured it out, then it'll rip back up. So it's really, it's almost like trying to trade with the, what do you call it? Like the UK guilt situation where it's like, or like the energy crisis. It's like, you don't know what's happening with it. you have to wait for more news to come out and then see. But Bitcoin selling, bringing SPY down a little bit. Apple's fighting, man. It's trying to not stay below here. Where's Tessie? Is Tessie still fighting at 185? Yeah, it is. Tessie's still fighting 185 here. Swinging by to drop a like and hang for a few. Sam Lee, I appreciate that, buddy. A damn casino lobby to get sports betting and won. Why? They could just have sports betting in their casino. That's like the dumbest thing. Think CZ's trying to get a deal. He might be. I mean, remember what Sam Bankman-Fried did to all those other companies. He bought those things cheap. So now think about it like this. Because FTX is broken down into a couple of different divisions, and then there's an overarching company, I believe. But think about it if then CZ can come in and scoop up the foreign branch of FTX, but still have basically an ownership in those other brokerages. And he's not just buying FTX, he's buying the other stuff too for a steep discount. Like he has exposure to everything, which would be a very interesting move on his part. So Tessie's trying to hold here. Apple, not so much. New candles over here. SPY making its way back down. Let's see. Yeah, he could easily be trying to get a deal here. Buddha. What's up, man? How you doing? All right, SPY moving back lower. Let's see. Yeah, that MACD just flipped. Let's see. You made all your plays on the MACD RSI indicators, played the SPY 200 rejection. Nice, dude. That new MACD and looking at the RSI's moving average is killer. Tesla 52-week low. Oh, Tesla flashed it there. 52-week low, 184.81. It hit it. It hit it. So let's see what we're going to get now. Could see a sell-off. Let's see what happens with SPY here if it ends up wanting to get bought back up. All right. SPY. What are you going to do? Nancy bouncing a little bit here. I mean, I caught this Nancy drop earlier today, which was sweet. That was a nice one. Nice little bounce there on Tessie. Apple doesn't like it, though. So now Tessie's bouncing. Apple's saying, fuck it. In 4 days, Tesla has dropped $38. Yeah, that's pretty nuts. Has it dropped? Oh, shit. I forgot I had Tesla puts last week. For this week, I should have fucking held those. Yeah, Bitcoin's been under 17. Trump to start all his news. Yeah, the 15th. Must be on Truth's app. No. I think he's going to announce that he's running for president. Because then he's talking nonsense about DeSantis now, too. So it's like, it makes sense that he's going to try and run here. You had 192.50? Dude, I had like 215s. What price on Tesla do buyers start coming in? I mean, they did at 185. Right around 185, they did. 184.81. They cracked it down below the 52-week low. Would RSI rising when SPY hits that level be bullish? What level? SPY's trying to hold 378 here, but let's see what it wants to get to. Let's see, team. All right. Where's Facebook today? Oh, Facebook. Starting to slip there a little bit. Hello. Where did it get hit? Oh, there's that candle from what? 104.30. That's not bad. Facebook up 7% today, though, but this thing's been running, dude. Running. Microsoft? What's up with Microsoft? Tessie bouncing back up a little there. It's slipping a little bit here. Apple getting bought back up. SPY trying as well. Let's see. Again, the moves are really going to happen tomorrow and Friday. Christopher, no. And even if it did, it wouldn't make a meaningful difference to anybody. So, no, I don't think so. And we've seen that play out many, many times in the past. That's just the next thing that people are clutching onto for dear life. Let's say. No, SPY doesn't like this here. Neither does that. Nothing likes really anything right now. Nancy's trying to make a move up here, but nothing crazy. Facebook to 135 was just wondering. No, that's fair, Christopher. Fair question. So here's the thing with Facebook. Remember what we were talking about over those last few days? How Facebook, it's just people didn't get, like, they were just like, Mark Zuckerberg is on tilt spending money. And they're like, when is this going to end? They're like, Mark Zuckerberg is spending so much money on this metaverse project, and nobody is seeing any results from it, really. Like, zero results. So now that he's come out and said that he's laying off all of those employees, it's not a bad sign. So people are now saying, okay, at least he's going to be a little bit more careful on how money is spent. Now, again, you have to think of those workers as money being spent as well. It's human capital. It's the same thing. Let's see. It's sad as fuck, but every time people are fired, stocks rally. Yeah, it has to do with their margins. It has to do with their margins. You hope the metaverse is worth it? I don't know. I don't think it is. I think, though, that something will come out of it, and it doesn't have to be. See, this is the thing. I think people view the metaverse situation in one way right now, but that it doesn't mean that it's going to happen the way that everybody thinks it is. When Facebook goes through all of this research and development, it's possible that they find a use case for like AR and VR that wasn't previously known. Jake, no, it's just not. That earnings call was a disaster. Let's see. You would definitely go to a Snoop concert in the metaverse. Sean, shoot me a message, buddy. They beat earnings. Please explain. It doesn't matter that they beat. They still are burning a significant amount of cash. We can do the rant if we need to, because I'm pissed because all of these people are losing money when they did not have to. All they had to do was listen. They raised 30 million from Ape. The value is gone. Lower than expected wholesale data. Any influence on CPI tomorrow? I think a lot of people are expecting a beat, but I don't know. Again, it's a coin flip. With the stop loss strategy, you keep moving the stop till it's in profit and get to take profit. What do you think is going to go? No. Sort of. I don't use the stop loss take profit order. I'll just move a stop at basically like slightly in profit, let it go for a while after I've scaled out, and then I'll continually move it up. Nobody's going to want the metaverse until it looks like real life instead of Nintendo Wii. Yeah, that's true. I think that there's something there. I just don't think it's what everybody is what everybody thinks it could do right now. Like, it doesn't make sense. Like, why the fuck would I like wear goggles all the time? Like, it doesn't make any sense to me. I think there's something there. I just don't think it's going to be what everybody thinks it is right now. Like, it's probably, and honestly, I have no idea what it could be. Leo, absolutely not. What section in the Discord is the stop loss strategy video posted in? Well, you can ask for it, but it's on my channel. It's called How to Steal from Market Makers, the most profitable stop loss strategy. Squirrel, what's up, buddy? Risk it for the biscuit. Yeah, that's why I told everybody, but even before it came out, Ape came out, that it was going to run up and then come down, and you had to make a decision on what you wanted to do with it. And then I told everybody that Ape, after it came out the where it was, that it was going to come down. And that was at 7. You can go back and watch the video when I did it. It's called Selling Ape. And then everybody was so angry at me. And then you know what happened? Everybody lost a bunch of money after a massive warning. So at the end of the day, people can still get mad at me all they want, but I tried to tell you. And then everybody just decided then to listen to things that they thought would make them feel good instead of actually realizing what the situation actually was. Now they can't really raise enough money doing it. And if they did, they would literally just send the thing into oblivion if they tried to sell shares now. But then who's going to buy it? It's a fundraiser. It's literally a GoFundMe. But it is what it is. We're here to make people money, not pander to you guys for views. Metaverse strip club? No. How low can the SPY go? It's possible that it tests lows. I just don't really foresee that happening. The day before CPI, I think people are going to be a little bit more cautious across the board. You've heard a lot of people expecting a hot CPI based on the crude run up alone. Right, but it hasn't really run up. You think it's bullish how we got screwed over with Ape? That doesn't make any sense. It makes 0 sense. That's hopium and confirmation bias. I hope you're joking. But think about like what is happening like today and tomorrow. We're gonna get the finalized results from the midterms most likely tonight or tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow is gonna be CPI. And jobs report. Metaverse Club would be all subscribe to my OnlyFans, come see my ankles, and would take. Yeah, it would. Oh, SPY shot up, shot right back down there, right back down below 378.50. That's Apple. Where's Tesla? Tesla getting knifed there. That's what it is. You think CPI is going to be red hot? Ooh, interesting. So, I mean, that we're going to be able to watch market expectations based on this thing right here, the target rate probabilities. So if you'll see here right now, it's, you can refresh this, but it's about a 56, 57% probability that we get a 50. Now it's 52% probability that we get a 50 basis point hike in December and 48% probability that we get a 75. Binance back out of the deal. That's what I've heard. I've heard Binance was out for now. So that's kind of why we're seeing crypto continuously fall. Well, let's see here. Let's see. You think Elon's still selling? I don't think he'd be selling at 52-week lows. I think he already did it. It wouldn't make sense. All right, guys. Again, as you guys are filtering in here, keep hitting that like button. Helps out a whole lot with the algos, getting this stream out to some more people over here. Trying to save everybody, man. Everybody's always like, oh my God, this is going to happen. It's like, no. Can I explain the last hour of AMC? No, it doesn't matter. The whole thing, that earnings call was a disaster. People can come out here and be like, no, this is happening. Manipulation. It's like, no, people saw that Ape was a dumpster fire and are selling it. That's what it is. And they were only able to raise 30 million. That's pathetic. You have to look at it from an unbiased perspective. It's barcoding. Cool. That doesn't change anything. Lots of things barcode. Chief, what's up, buddy? How you doing? All right, SPY flickering around here a little bit. Let's see what we get going in the end of the day. Let's see. All right, team. SPY moving. Dun, 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 dun. Let's say a GoFundMe would have made more. Yeah, dude, that literally would have made more sense. Let's see. You want SQQQ? Be careful with it. I mean, it's probably running up here today. I wouldn't touch much right now, though, guys. Nothing really makes a whole lot of sense to be playing here. You're just going to see a lot of choppy nonsense price action, probably preparing for any nonsense with midterms and then CPI tomorrow. That's kind of what we're looking at here. SPY losing the line. It's bouncing off. What was it? 378.30 something you were talking about? And it's trying to get back above there. Tesla going to 180. It might be. That's where the line, that's where the key support level I have there is. Where's that from, though? We have this from somewhere. What the Oh, view op got all messed up. Grevin, because the saving grace was ape and they completely fucked it up. Just like I said. Missed earnings call dealing with business community. Cliff knows what happened. I got like the gist of it. I listened to a little bit of it, but literally the only thing is like one, they have this weird Zoom thing. They did beat, which is not bad. So again, you always look at it from an unbiased perspective, but the saving grace to get them out of debt, they're still burning a shitload of cash. They only raised 30 million with ape. And if they were to sell that now, they'd send it into oblivion. So now they're expecting potentially that it's going to come back up. Why though? Because it doesn't make any sense for any money to come into that thing, especially at these levels, unless you're somehow playing on the fact that they might convert years down the line, but you're going to get diluted in the meantime. You're buying something where the whole point of it is to just dump on you. Is crypto dead? No. Why would crypto be dead? It's a lot of nonsense and choppy price action. It's like sell-offs based on, what do you call it? The FTX nonsense with Binance. All right. Ooh, yeah. Squirrel SPY slipping lower there. Let's see. Tesla getting killed. Yeah, Candace, that's horrendous. All right, team. What do we got? Whoa, we're 21 likes away from 100. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. So SPY's not looking too good here. It's just kind of chopping around. Let's see. More jobs, but at a lower rate. Feels like CPI could remain hot until that jobs report flips. Asia flat or lower, while Europe all hot. Such a coin flip. Exactly. It would all. It's a coin flip either way, really, unless you're like really following the data. I'll throw a like down for you. Hope you're having an awesome day. Peace and love. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm having a great day over here. Tesla's getting mauled, though. Tesla's not having a good day. Making its way down to 180 there. Woof. That's not good. That's not. Oh, there goes SPY. Ah! There it goes. Let's see. Back. Oh, it's popping a little bit up here. Let's see. Hello, Steven. How you doing? Steven, you say the weirdest things sometimes, and I never know where you're going with things. Fed's barking. The U.S. is not currently in a recession. Fake. Nonsense. Parsa, how you doing? Who's shorting Tesla here? I don't know. I think that's a risky short. I would almost think that Bill Gates would be covering his short now. I know you murdered Nancy this week, but what's your play of the week so far? It's probably SPY yesterday. Probably SPY yesterday. That move down on SPY was filthy, dude. That we caught. I mean, that was all on the live stream too. Chicken Lover is asking what's going on, guys. Not much, man. We're just correct as usual. And I want you guys to like introspectively think and be very, 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 very. Can you call things out before they happen? The text technically for YouTube makes it hard to follow along, dude. I mean, I was in those puts yesterday for a while, and no, I cannot. I cannot explain things before they. I cannot call things before they happen. I can try. But we'll see what happens with SPY here. It is getting slowly walked down. Tesla oversold on the daily too. It's going to rip up a little, then who knows? I don't think it really makes sense to short Tesla at 52-week lows. Let's see. I mean, it could make its way down to 180 here. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Oh, we are one away from 100. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. Let's see. Were you calling out SPY before it dumped yesterday? Oh, we were. Yeah. We were. That dump yesterday was filthy. Oh, Austin, you might be a little butthurt there. Oh, no, too bad. I told you exactly what was going to happen, and then you decided to listen to absolute morons who actually don't know what they're talking about on social media. And then you all got led to the slaughter when you literally just could have looked at the situation from a logical perspective back in August when I was telling you guys exactly what was going to happen, and then it did. And now you're still being baited for clicks and views by people who don't know what they're talking about, playing off of your emotions and getting mauled. So, and you might come in here and be like, you're being an asshole. I'm like, no, I want you guys making money. I don't want you guys throwing money down the drain in hopes of something that just right now is realistically not there. Why is Google getting wrecked today? Let me see. It's only Google's not getting wrecked. It's down 0.21. It's just flickering around. Let's see. There were a couple of different nasty dumps yesterday. Yeah, dude, there were. The one that I was talking about was which one? It was the I'll show you. I was in here. This is where I was entering right here on this move. These two candles were where I entered, scaled out here, and then let this thing ride back up a little bit, and then basically played it all the way down to this 200, and then get stopped out in deep profit on that bounce off the 200 there. It was nasty. Jake, it doesn't, though. That's the thing. It doesn't. It just doesn't. You're just being kicked in the nuts and then saying thank you after. It's weird, bro. Oh, the last month for Google? I think it was on their earnings, wasn't it? Yeah, it was on their earnings. So after their earnings, it just got chop, 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 chop right down. And then the market wasn't looking too hot in general, too. Jake, it doesn't matter, bro. Oh, Lord. Okay. I literally, like some people, I just can't help everybody at that point. Like I did everything that I could. And I was like, hey, Jake, it doesn't matter what's popular. It matters what the reality is. Made it free at 35%. One freebie lotto ticket. There you go. I don't know. Let's see what we're going to get here. Yeah, make it free is solid. The stop loss strategy is solid too. They can't short it forever. Yes, they can. I'm a basher? Oh, okay. No, that's not what it is. I told you guys exactly what was gonna happen to it. How could he ever be wrong? Oh, no. Oh, man. Keep losing money, guys. I mean, I'm gonna keep being here helping you guys make money, but if you aren't willing to learn, it's like, it is what it is. And I will probably now just be like, "I told you so," because I did. Let's see. Oh, and risk it for the business. That's just not true either. Uh, Ryan? I mean, I think my video came out like in a similar time when it was, what? It was in the 7s. Go watch the video. It's there still. It's trying to move back up here off of 378. Stopping in for some of the midday stream. Red Ape, what's up, buddy? Why is VGK outperforming SPY when Europe CPI is already spicy? Don't understand the strength. What's VGK? I don't know if this is tracking everything. Investment trade stocks issued by companies located in the major markets of Europe. The fund plays indexing. Huh. Medium to low risk. That's interesting there. Let's see. Da-da-da. Jake, that doesn't matter. And there's like, at this point, it's a weird argument because I've already told you exactly what's going to happen. Then it did. And I continuously to tell you what's going to happen. And then you're just like, no. And it's like, okay. Like, there's not much we could do to help at this point if that's going to be how you react and you're not able to listen to logic. Disney's tanking down 12%. Yeah, that was off of earnings. You're wrong. No, I'm not. I've been right. Oh my God. SPY running back up. For now. Okay, bro. Like, let's see. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's see. Webull calendar, only one red day this month with the 1348 group. Mark, that is fucking awesome. That's exactly what it's all about. Shout out to you guys that have actually like seen the light and been like, okay, let's actually go make some money in the market. If you guys do want to hop in, get access to all of those proprietary algorithms, it's in the top of the live chat. I just threw it in this chat too. But if you're tired of losing money and you're sitting in here and you're like, damn, he did make a point over these last 3 months. And yeah, I mean, I've seen all these people making money. I'd really like to get in on that. Hop in with us, man. We've got some crazy things coming too. Let's see. Let's see if SPY can get over that 13. It doesn't really want to right now. You could be in for some weird nonsense towards the end of the day. Right before CPI, I would not rule that out. Either up, like crazy move up or down. You could see some weird stuff happen with crypto towards the end of the day too, if there's any more news on the Binance stuff. And then at that time, you might get a little bit of a better indication of where these midterms are falling. Let's see. Carlos, I've explained it so many times, bro. So many times. Do I have a CPI prediction? Not really. I think it's going to go either way. The problem is that I'm not necessarily as focused on what the CPI actually is. I'm more focused on how the market's pricing it in, because that is how you win. If the market is really, really going to price in a big move on CPI, it doesn't really matter what CPI does, because you're going to get screwed out on both sides. So I'll look towards the end of the day to see how bad it is and how expensive these contracts are on SPY either way. But that's the real important question. And then it's the reaction after. You say when and where call or put? No, I think that's actually some of the biggest nonsense ever because you don't actually learn anything. We teach a very, very powerful strategy. It's been studied over many years, and we also have proprietary algorithms that trade them. We have all sorts of curriculum videos. We do 3 live streams every single day for you guys so that you can actually learn the strategy because I'm not able to see everything. There's going to be things happening in the market that some days I don't see. Let's see. My prediction is that regardless of if CPI hits or misses, the market will do the opposite of what makes sense. Yeah. CPI is before open. It's what do you call it? 8:30. 1348 is up your trade game 100%. Reddit. There you go, buddy. You're thinking of hedging long-term puts with midterm calls? That's not the worst idea. I mean, you could also nah, that wouldn't make sense. Let's see. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, that's not the worst idea in the world, man. Let's see. SPY rejecting down. Let's see. NVIDIA trying to test VWAP again. Unless it gets really clean above this 48 and this key level here at like 140.50, I'd probably not go anywhere near that thing. SPY slipping back down to 378. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. I'm on Twitter. Oh, it's being slow today. Yeah, it's trying to get up to view up there. It rejected there last time. Apple's still below that level there too. You feel like SPY wants the knife? It might, but at the same time, it's like, why? Like, why would this thing make a giant move to the downside now at this point in the day? There would need to be something that comes out through the feed. You're swinging long-term puts with midterm calls. That's not a bad idea. Justin, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Let's see. Ryan, honestly, man, I'm kind of done talking about it. Like I've said all I needed to say, and there's still going to be people that are just have their heads so far in the dirt that are going to like, dude, like, you know how, like, and they're just going to listen to people that are just baiting them for clicks and views. That's it, it is what it is. And at the same time, it's like, I've shown you exactly how this has happened over the last 3 months. And then people are like, nope, you're a shill. You've been bought by the hedge funds. But here's the thing. You should very, very much be thanking the hedge funds if they paid me, which they didn't, because that's the dumbest thing that I've ever heard, because I told you it was going down when it was at 7. Logic. Ooh. Think about that one. All right. But really, I'm kind of done talking about it. Like, I want you guys to be able to be in here making money. That's what I want. That's what the market is all about. If that's not for you, then you can go. And that's perfectly fine. Here comes SPY a little bit. Let's see. Rejected at that 13 again. Like, it literally makes my stomach hurt looking at all of these losses that people have taken, even after I've told you it was going down. Oxy earnings today might be the cheap. I thought, no, Oxy reported yesterday. I'm pretty sure Oxy reported yesterday. Yeah, Oxy was yesterday. Jake, faith is not a strategy. That's how you blow up accounts. And you're just like, you're saying ego. No, this is you coping. Like, that's just what it is. And the thing is I want to see everybody win, but this is not the way to be doing it. Justin, thanks for the super, buddy. Here's my mandatory super. Don't kick me out. I won't. I won't. Let's see. All right, team. Let's see. Oh, we are 22 likes away from 150. I appreciate you guys. A lot of nonsense today. A lot of nonsense. Let's see. I don't watch anime. Faith only worked for you if your name is Tim McGraw. All right. Spy's trying to get to that 13 there. Let's see if it wants to get going. What's happening? Just chop around the market today. Going into CPI tomorrow with midterm. So Spy, another rim here on the 5-minute. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on, team. Up 60% on your Tesla for the day. Just sold and I'm done. See you all tomorrow. Thanks, 1348. There you go. Every day. Every day, man. We got people over here making money, taking control of their portfolios, and changing their lives. I love to see it, dude. Oh, man. Jake, you're blowing money down the toilet. If you keep talking about it, I'm going to have to time you out. One, it's frustrating me because the amount of money that you've probably lost is terrible. It's like this. This is literally the best analogy for this. Ready? And then we're done. Then we're going to get back to what actually matters. Okay? This whole situation is like you and you have a girlfriend and she's cheating on you fully. Your buddy then comes up and tells you she's cheating on you with evidence. Here you go. And you go, nah, man, she's different. She's great. And then you go back. And then there's more evidence. And then everybody tells you again. And he's like, oh, she's cheating on you again. And then you're like, nah, it's okay. And that's what it is. It's a consistent cycle. All right, team. Let's see. Spy breaking up here a little bit. Nancy getting above that 48 in VWAP there. Dude, fucking Spy doesn't want to do shit. Let's see. The only way your buddy can have evidence if he's the guy, though? No, I'm talking like hard evidence. That's the wrong way to put it, but that's essentially what it is. Pepe, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Here's my mandatory super. Sorry, it's late. It's okay, buddy. You guys don't have to send in supers if you don't want to. Spy knifing. Dude, that was a big boy knife on the Spy there. Hello. These rims are oh, hold on. Something might be happening here. That's a big candle. Hold on. I don't see anything. It's more like she's beating you and you can't admit it. That too. Let's see. Oh, Spy looks like it wants to get to lows there. That's not good. Let's see what it wants to do here going into the end of the day. What do we got? It's 1. Yeah, so we got 3 hours left. Just scalp the Spy clean. Awesome filth. There you go. She may be abusive, but she's hot. Fuck, bro. You are just... Oh, man. Dude. That's just too bad there. YouTube didn't even notify you that I was on? Damn, bro. YouTube playing. Your question still holds true? True. Simp. And right back up. No notification? What the heck? That's kind of rude. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. YouTube's fucking around with us today. All right. I see how it is, YouTube. Elon's live? Oh boy. Oh yeah, it's a public stream. I don't usually notify you guys when it's a public. I don't like put at everyone when it's a public stream. I just like send the link in there, and then if you're in there, you see it. Let's see. Dude, this thing's moving around a little bit here. Is this Bitcoin fucking around? Hold on. Not really. Oh, here it comes. Spy! Ah! Let's see. Is it Apple? Not really. Like a little bit. Tessie a little bit here. Nothing crazy though. Cucking is a fetish. That's yeah. You're just being cucked over and over and over and over. TLT dipping. Oh, is it? Hold on. That's a giant move in yield. Hold on. What the fuck just happened here? That's a giant move in the 10-year. That just went from 4117 to 4166. That's a big fuck you candle on the 10-year. Unless that shark fin, SPY might die. The dollar's not really moving, but that's big. Oxy moving closer to redeeming preferred shares in 2023. Oxy. Dollar moving higher. Yeah, but not aggressively, though. Huh. Look at TLT. TLT probably just went off a cliff. TLT probably just went cliff diving. Yep. This could be a bond auction, dude. Wasn't there an auction at 1 today? Wasn't there supposed to be an auction? Hold on. That might have been the auction. Yeah, where hold on. I don't see any news of that auction yet. Hold on, I might have it. No, that's Oxy. No, nothing. I don't see anything on this auction, but that's what it looks like here. That's big. That's a really big move. Oh, 6 likes away from 150. Appreciate it, team. Think Tesla can get to 48 on what time frame? What time frame? I mean, everything is selling off now with this. Apple's it's rimming here. It'd be interesting if they set this free at some point today. %6 on the portfolio today wanted Baba to just die already. It's a slow death. There you go, man. That's what it's all about. That's what 1348 is all about, buddy. Fuck yeah. I love seeing you guys win. How's coin holding up with Bitcoin at 16K? It's not. Coin's down like what, 11% today, isn't it? Coin's down 9%. Coin is not holding up. SPY lower. Let's see. Jesus. Tesla new lows. Yeah, where's Tessie? At 182.89. I will only 1348 from here on out. Jessica, there we go. There we go. Let's see. What did I say in the DMs before the stream? Oh, the sell-off? Yeah. Yeah, I thought bad. You think CPI comes in hot? Interesting. Jake, I'm gonna have to time you out for just spewing nonsense in my live chat. Stop. You're actively hurting people. If you think you can trade better than 1348, spoiler alert, you're wrong. Justin, facts, buddy. All right. I mean, Spy's flickering around here a little bit. Let me get Scar's old wrench. I'll wrap him up. Pepe, you can have a wrench, buddy. Pepe, there you go. Welcome. You got out of the spy put, still green. That's what matters. Move along. You and Gabe are awesome leaders. Mark, I appreciate that. Turns out I can convert my account to cash today, so no more PDT for this guy. Malachi, fuck yeah, buddy. Lottery day. What's up, buddy? Oh, Pepe, you look good with the wrench, bud. Oh, there goes Spy. There it goes. Let's see. There she goes. Oh, that's a big knife. Holy fuck. There it goes. Look at that. That was big, bro. That was a big move. Holy shit. What was that? Is it Bitcoin? What, or is this more 10-year? Sort of, but not really. Where's TLT? Hold on. Hold on. It's moving back down, but that's not enough to spook the spy like that. $86%. Nice, Squirrel. There you go, buddy. 111. Nice, bro. All right, let's see. $11 below your all-time high in dry powder, stacking those gains. AR guy, you made it all back. You made all those losses back. Dude, that is what it's about. There's going to be people in here that are just going to be like, nope, they have their head too far down in the sand and they haven't listened and they're too far gone. But the AR guy and a lot of you guys that have joined us in there with 1348, that is fucking awesome that you've made back those losses, dude. Congratulations. That is unbelievable. Dude, that is awesome. Everybody, give the AR guy a congratulations there. And again, if you guys are really looking to make money in this market and learn the actual skills to be a consistent trader, make sure you guys check out that link at the top. I'll throw that in here for you guys too. You guys know what we offer at this point. You guys know the deal. Proprietary trading algorithms, the only profitable trading algorithms out there for retail investors right now. The alerts, the live streams, the new stuff that's coming is going to be fucking crazy. AR guy, that is awesome, dude. That's what it's all about, dude. 1348 for the win. Getting closer myself one day. There you go, Red Ape. Yeah, dude. Everybody give him a congratulations. That is awesome. Let's see. You're $11 below, bro. That's crazy. You're right there. I've given up twice for about a week because I was on a losing streak. Re-educated myself with 1348. Now I'm up 23% on your portfolio. Dude, there you go. That's what it's all about, man. We've been doing this for a whole year. The best time to plant the tree was what, 20 years ago? Second best times today. Let's see. Was down 10% on your account. Willy-nilly plays, catching the occasional win. But this week, I had laser focus. Went from 10 plays a day to 3 and stacking gains. Fuck yeah, dude. Bob, I've already said my thoughts. I've been saying dumpster fire since August. And hopefully for those of you guys that listen, we're able to like get yourselves in a good position. If not, and you were one of those people that were kind of coming over here and telling me fuck off, then all I have to say to that is too bad, man. All you had to do was listen. Let's see. So Spy's trying to make that was a big wick there. That was a wick. TLT still coming down though. What's the 10-year doing? It's trying to get up there. You just started watching me? Oh, that's cool, Bob. All good, buddy. Yeah, I mean, if you can go back and see like the receipts of when I was kind of causing a scene with it, and I was like, dude, this is terrible. And then everybody was like, fuck you. And I was like, is what it is. I'm focused on getting my account back to even. 1348 is the way. Lofty. There you go, man. Thanks, SV. Teach a man to fish. Exactly. Exactly, man. All right, team. Oh, we're running it up to 200 likes today. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. So you're saying you were giving financial advice? No, that's actually not what I did at all. I just broke down the situation in two very, very easy to understand ways. You had to make the decision on whether or not you wanted to participate in the GoFundMe. And then I gave you the exact scenario of what was going to happen if it was about to come down. Not really if it was about to come down, but what had actually happened. And then you had to make the decision on whether or not you liked it or not. It was very blatant in that direction. It's always up to you at the end of the day. I broke down and showed you the information and gave my opinion how I thought it was terrible. Dixie trying to break through the SPY zone to the upside. Oh boy. Yeah, Dixie's coming up. Watch out. Watch the 10-year here. Sean, you've been here for like 2 weeks, buddy. You can't have a wrench yet. You got filled on a stop at $5 off your order price? Yes, it happens every single time. Vapor Rub, that's what we've been talking about. How if you set your stop at a certain price, it's not a limit order. So you can't it's triggering a stop. So then it's basically when you have a stop order, it's basically saying if it gets down to this price, trigger a market order. That's BS? Sean, that's not BS. You've been here for 2 weeks. Some of these people have been here for a year. I'm Sean the Great. I know. You'll get there one day. All right, let's see what happens to SPY. Alameda Research website is gone. The site is currently private. Hold on. Watch Coin, watch Bitcoin, watch Riot. I don't know if that's brand new or if that's the actual one, but that's not good. Is there a purpose for stop orders when stop limits seems much more effective? You can use stop limits if you want to, but essentially it's the same thing. You're just I am perfectly fine with using normal stops because the contracts, the stocks that I'm trading have liquid option chains. Already told you, buddy. I told you in August that it was coming down. Dude, everybody always wants to ask about this. It's like, guys, I feel like at this point, you already know exactly what happened. You're just not accepting it. Remember when I said Bitcoin 13K this morning in Discord? You thought you were going to be slow, but no. Is it really getting? No way, dude. So Bitcoin just sold off on that. So Alameda Research's website's gone. They took it private. That's kind of nuts. That's pretty nuts, dude. Maybe we can make a rule. I think we might have to. Where's Tesla with this? It's bouncing off 182. Jamie, absolutely not. I don't even have Ortex anymore. Let's see here. All right, team. Keep slapping that like. You guys are killing it today. I appreciate it. Sometimes you just got to do it yourself. That's what This collapse kind of discredits most crypto as legal tender. Well, the issue isn't necessarily crypto itself. The issue is the brokers and the basically all of the moving parts behind the scenes. Now, you would see a very similar thing happen in the stock market if you didn't have the government about like stepping in all the time. Like if you saw a big like you'd have more situations like long-term capital management and Archegos and things like that. You'd have many more of those, which is what you're seeing in the crypto market. Let's see. All right, team. Let's see what we're gonna get here. If I had a wrench, I don't even want one. It's okay, Sam. Sam could have a wrench. Let's see. Let's see how community gains is going over here today. I bet it's fucking nasty again. 35% today, bro. What the fuck did you do? AR guy, 26.5% gain. Jeez. Nightblood, 5% gain. Miss 2% on the day. 6%, 1.6, 3.35. Jesus, guys. 6% on the day. Diana, there you go. 7%, 5. Dude. That's the truth. Dude. Sean, you can't just come here and get a wrench in a week. That's not how it works. You're up 26% on the day. Dude, I can't believe how awesome you guys are doing. I mean, I can. It makes sense. The system prints. But you guys have really, really just started running it up, man. Fuck yeah. I love seeing that, dude. 6% on the day? Dude. That's amazing. That is amazing, man. All right, folks. Keep hitting that like button on the way in if you guys haven't already. Let's get some more people in here. Tessie's still slipping down here. Uh-oh. The community has evolved so much. Yeah, man. It's amazing. No losses in the past 2 weeks. Haven't kept a play count, but at least one per day every day. AR guy, that's awesome. You're happy at 1.64? Dude, 1.64 is fire. That's so amazing, dude. 23% on Roku puts, 46 on a firm. You guys are doing great, dude. I love it. I love it. I love seeing you guys make money, man. And again, if you guys want to hop in there with us, the best place to come and learn how to trade, it's linked in the top of the live chat. But I'll throw it in here for you guys again. Results speak for themselves. You want to come make some money? Let us know. We'd love to see you in there. Does anyone show receipts or do we just take strangers' word for it? You want me to pull up the gains channel right now? It's right here. Here's a Robinhood screenshot of 35% of the day. There's one. Boom. Here's another one. 5% on the day. Boom. Bing. You want to see another one? You want to see more? You want to see more? Oh, here's one. 6% on the day. Bing. You want me to keep going? Oh, here's one. 3% on the day. Bing. Should I keep going? I love it. People are always so like, oh my God, they must be lying. It's like, no, we fucking print. $1% daily puts you on the beach. Yep. I love it, man. I love it, dude. I thought he was showing ankles. No. I'm showing the wild success that you guys are having. Sean, stop being a drama queen. Let's see. SPY slipping back lower here. My favorite was seeing people say that it's clearly fake because Trader Joe's gains were just unrealistic. I had to be nice and say it works for me, but I really wanted to be like lol on shares. Dude, it's crazy. Accounts don't lie. No, they don't, dude. The results speak for themselves. So again, you want to hop in there? Let's do it. If not, And you want to keep listening to idiots on the internet that are like, fucking it's going to 70. Shut the fuck up. You miss Pico? I know. That's enough. All right, team. We're having fun, man. Here comes Apple slip in. Watch SPY start to come down here. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, I'm probably not trading anything else for today. You guys got to see me hit that gnarly play yesterday. Today, we're probably just going to kind of burn it until CPI tomorrow. This is a weird level to have CPI, though. If you finish around here, 377, I mean, it's not that far off 380, 380. But I think you could definitely see a lot of nonsense tomorrow. SPY broke another level. Well, it needs to break. If it comes down to lows again here, that could be dirty. Tesla's coming down again, dude. Oh my lord. I bet Sam Lee is kicking himself now because I know Sam had 10 had Tesla puts. Let's see. SPY little bounce. Yeah, I wish I played Tesla today on that 200 EMA test, dude. That was fucking dirty. What time does CPI release? At 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. So it'll be fun. SPY broke yesterday's low and it looks heavy. Yep. What's this? Yep. It just came up and retested it. Yeah, my free ones hit way early. Don't talk about it. You had 10 187.50 contracts? It's okay, Moto. It's okay. You still probably banked on them. Squirrel. Well, no, because they were stupid, but Melvin was still technically wrong. Tesla support, 180. You took $100 profit on each, but now I'm sad. Dude, you made $1,000. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. Oh, we are 29 likes away from 200. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. Let's see what the SPY's going to do going into the end of the day here. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's getting spicy. Imagine they just dud it on CPI tomorrow. They just say nope. Do you think crypto could be a good buy for a swing retracement on the daily? I would almost wait for the daily. No, I'm still not. I'm not on my green streak anymore. I don't think. No, I would wait until the chart is actually telling you yes. If CPI is bad, I'm saying Tesla to 168. That would be aggressive, dude. Let's see. Oh my god. Made just under 1% today, but I'll take it. Dude, that's perfectly fine, man. Take that. Take that all day long. Base hits? Exactly. SPY going to Argentina. SPY might be going to Iowa right here. Squirrel, you must be killing it on these puts right now, buddy. There goes Tessie breaking down that little level there, but the level's really supposed to be at 180. So you got 30-ish cents to go. This thing is coming down hard. Made 120% gain on puts today. Exactly. Am I charge frozen? No. No, they're fine. Tessie's moving around. SPY's moving around. Everything's moving around. Yeah, Tesla is about to hit 180. Let's say 109% making an egg sandwich. There you go. Nvidia has not really moved since 10:30. No, and the main reason for that was it was already down so much today. So, like in the pre-market, like Nvidia is down 5, but now that the SPY is kind of dying with it, I don't really see it having that giant cascading sell. I mean, I played this move down here today, this big crack, which was fun. Weeble freezes on you sometimes for a few seconds. It doesn't really freeze 20 seconds ago. They were stuck. Well, I got to click on them sometimes, but other than that, they're pretty good. There goes Tessie. Ooh, this could be dirty. New lows on SPY. Yeah, it just tapped it. There it goes again. There it goes. $21 people away. Smash the like. Parsa, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Apple slipping. This is not looking too good. This market's dying. Ah! It's selling. The trading algorithm's up 5.9% right now today that I'm running on my account. Dude, Pythagoras and Trader Joe must be just fucking killing it right now. Hold on. I want to see where Joe's at. What's Trader Joe at? 20. He's up about 25%. So that is that was the first trading algorithm that we released to everybody, and since it has been live, it's up 24.95%. It is what it is, bro. Let's see. Where is this piece? Pythagoras is up like 4.6. So still in the green. Still in the green. But again, those are the only trading algorithms that are available for retail right now. And we're going to bring out some other ones. And we've got some crazy stuff coming for you guys too. So, dude, look at that knife on the SPY here. Holy shit. This might come down to 376, dude. So remember, we were kind of talking about a bigger move coming towards the end of the day. We just weren't really seeing which way it was going to go. With all the news coming out with, thanks to Sam, it might be Bankman-Fried. That might be what this move is. That's what it's looking like. Is Facebook looking like it wants to go south? We'll see. Yeah, Facebook does look like it wants to break here a little bit. All right, we're going to take that. We're going to take that. We're going to take that. And that. Nice. Oh, the algo's up 6% now. Haha. Haha. Iowa inbound. Oh, dude, we just really Iowa'd it here. Like, this thing is Iowaing the fuck out of this market right now. It's going to Iowa. Don't even want to know what my Tesla 190s from earlier are at right now. Don't look, Sam. They're probably up at least 100%. At a bare minimum. But again, you would have gotten stopped. Like, if we were using the, you probably would have gotten stopped unless you just left it at break even. No. No, you wouldn't have. Wait, what's this? 186 to 180. And that move you might have. Done with my sandwich, 204%. Squirrel. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. There you go, man. I love seeing that. I love it, dude. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. This market is getting fucking crazy. It looks like it's the result of some more of the crypto stuff. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin's not moving on this. So this might be yields. Where are the yields? Nope. Dollar. Dollar started ripping here. Wish you held at least one Facebook call from yesterday. Holding overnight's a little risky, buddy. But Tessie's off a cliff. What's at 179.50? Holy shit, dude. Honestly, that's not the worst buying opportunity on Tessie. What's this at on the weekly? Tessie just flashed down below the 200 EMA on the weekly today for the first time. 187.52 is where that's at. That's not good. And Apple's not that far off of its 52-week low at 128. That's not good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Yeah, this is getting silly. Oh, SPY new lows. SPY going to Iowa. Ah, what's the algo at right now? Oh, 6.11%. Nice, dude. Here it comes again. Oh, boy. I don't even want to look at the gains channel right now. What do you guys do? 11.3% on the day. Red Ape, you fucking monster. Damn, guys. You guys are slaughtering. If you guys want to hop in there with us, if you aren't in there yet, I mean, it is the best place to come and learn how to trade, man. A lot of fakers out there. A lot of people that try to try and copy what they do, but they just make shitty versions that just people lose money with. If you guys want to come to the real deal, dude, this is not. It's getting higher with this SPY move. Red Ape, there you go, buddy. We got Helmo coming out too. Turbocharged Invictus. Holding a 380 SPY put at 530%. There you go, buddy. Bankman, this is what happens when you trust a guy who looks like he runs a business from his mom's basement eating Cheerios while watching cartoons. I guess so, man. I guess so. That's nasty. Dollar still moving higher. Tesla, no support. We'll see. Bounced up from 179.25. Dude, CPI tomorrow is going to be fucking crazy. Look at this. It's still going. It's still going. What are the premiums looking like for Friday? Whoa. Moving up. These are expensive. All right. Yeah, those are getting a little expensive there. Is this move from election results? I haven't seen anything come through the feed. Right now it's okay, so maybe. Right now it's let's see. Senate's tied 48-48. GOP leading in the House 203 to 176. That was as of 137. So right now that's where it's coming out of. Republicans eked out a win in Wisconsin with Senator Ron Johnson's 1-point victory over Mandela Barnes. Control of the Senate will come down to 3 outstanding toss-up races in Georgia, Nevada, and Arizona. Whichever party can go 2 for 3 or better in those contests will control the chamber for the next 2 years. So, I mean, if you get the red sweep, the market actually may not like that because they kind of want gridlock so nobody on either side can do anything wild. We need a new name for the stock market. Con market sounds about right. Absolutely not, Lewis. This is money making city right here. If you're you can't sit here and just be like, this is not okay. Manipulation. That doesn't help you make any money. You know what it does? Learning how to make money in the market. The market's going to do what it's going to do. It's then up to you if you want to decide to actually make money in it or if you want to sit on the sidelines and just like scream. Finished eating my sandwich, 262%. Are those freebies? I thought those were freebies. $8% on the portfolio. Fuck yeah, dude. There you go. There you go. SPY still breaking here. Actually, hold on. What can we I might do something spicy. Hold on. Okay. Oh, that sucks. Mm, mm, mm. No. These public streams are so entertaining. Dude, I know. I know. We try. How was Taco Tuesday? It's fire, bro. 2 freebies made free at 30%. Oh, I do remember that. Yeah, yeah, that's awesome, buddy. $370 next support. That's $6 away now. Well, that's where I have it, but I could definitely find another one in here. I would say 374.25. Wait, why did this just appear? 376. Hold on. This is no. Hold on. Yeah, 374.25. It's down below this. Weeble glitches out on me sometimes when I go back. Can I walk you through the SPY reversal? Yep, look at this. You see weakening on the MACD here. RSI coming down below its moving average right here. You can catch this move all the way down. Bing, 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 bing. It's similar to yesterday. Yesterday was more blatant than today was, but this is a dirty move. That comment right there is one reason I follow you. Yes, we all know the market's rigged. Who cares? Make your money and dip. Exactly. You're gonna waste your time just sitting there being like, it's rigged. Dude, okay. You know what this is like? I'm on fire with the analogies today. Remember the last one with the one getting kicked in the nuts for fun, and then the other one where it was like, oh, the dude tells you that your girl's cheating on him, and then you're just like, oh no, it's fine. You guys want to hear another one? I have one about manipulation. I have a really good one about manipulation, and hopefully some of this stuff is making sense to you guys, because anytime that you guys hear something that might make you go, ooh, that I don't like him, it's meant for you. Like those statements are meant for you to try and just like snap you out of it and make sure that you're on the right path. So you can hate it, but this is what it is. So who wants to hear the other analogy? Can we have one about ankles? This one's not about ankles. This one's about something. It's similar to the ones that we made in the past. So who wants to hear the next analogy? Let's see. Getting kicked in the nuts is a fetish too. SVO about the king shaming today. Shoot the analogy. All right, Eddie. So when you scream manipulation in the market and you think that the manipulation is why you're not making money, it is the same exact scenario that if you then say to somebody, dude, none of these girls like me, man. It must be all their fault. Dude, come on. It's not, they all suck. It's all bad. They're all bad. Did I ever promote FTX? No. So screaming manipulation in the market and then not learning how to make money in it is literally like you saying, dude, they don't like it's not me. It's not my fault. It's them. It's their fault. They all suck. It's not taking accountability for your own actions in the market. Horrible analogy? No, it's a great analogy. And Johnny, it's probably meant for you. That's probably what who the analogy is meant for. It's probably meant for you. I started with 1348 in July, and I'm just over 1,000% in your account. 1348 is life. You guys gave me the confidence to do this. Thank you. MB Doctor. There you go, buddy. And in my mind, it's like, no, you need to. I totally agree with you. The market is exactly. So MB Doctor, congratulations, man. I mean, if you guys want to hop in there again, there you go. Jessica, no. Let's see. UK's hunt to cut surcharge in UK bank profits to 3% from 8%. Interesting. So if that analogy for some of you guys in here are like, I don't like him, he's being mean, he's a shill. It's like, no, no, no. It's meant for you. So it's all about if you want to then take accountability for your own actions in the market and put yourself in the best position to have success. MB Doctor over here, great example of this. He put himself in the best position. Started in July and he's up 1,000%. There you go, buddy. That's what it's all about. Oh, we're 10 likes away from 200 here too. I love it. Nancy slipping lower here. Wild shares on Hopium when you could just trade options on the momentum? Great question. Check DM on what? Twitter? On the Twitter? Dude, that's amazing, bro. You're up 1,017.88%. That's unbelievable, bro. Craig, my thoughts have stayed the same from what they were in August. Same thing. Squirrel, it's probably this. It's probably very similar. All right, Spy moving lower here. Nancy slipping. Tessie moving a little lower here. Same thing with Apple. Craig, you're welcome, buddy. I tried to save everybody, and you can't save them all. Is Bitcoin's crash good for CPI? No. No. Why would that be good for CPI? $16,200. Yeah, we were saying it could hit. I was looking at 15 as like a key level there. Level down on SPY. It's 374 is kind of where I'm looking at it. Let's see. You don't know, just wondering? Yeah, it wouldn't really be good for it. SPY new lows. Remember not to overtrade Thursday, no settlement on Friday? Yes, Red Ape. Great point there, guys. So if you have to be very careful tomorrow with the amount of cash that you use, because with options, it's T1 settlement. So it typically settles the next day. But since it's a holiday Friday and banks are closed, it's a non-settlement day. So you will not get that cash back until Monday, meaning that if you blow through your entire settled cash balance on Thursday, it means you cannot trade anything on Friday without committing a good faith violation. So be careful and keep that in mind. Finished eating a cookie, 270%. Squirrel. I hope you have a stop at like something crazy. 287%. Squirrel. Friday's a holiday there? Yeah, it's Veterans Day. Ryan, I can't wrap my mind around those yields, buddy. I just can't do it. Hold on, let me pop in here, see how people are doing. Dude, another 33% on the day. Soccer surfer. Fuck yeah, buddy. Dude, you guys are stealing money. This is awesome. I love how there's people out there that are like, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It's like, shut up, idiot. Go talk to your evil market villain and see if he's going to bring your stock that's worth nothing up to 70. Idiots. Idiots. Dude, there you go, man. 4 likes away from 200 as well. You guys are killing it today. All right. This is gnarly, dude. I love it. Let's see. See what I'm talking about? Ryan, I know it's just like it's just wild. Extreme bear sentiment. Probably we're gonna be making bottom short term bottom for now. You're trading ES, easy 10 point scalps. Nice. 10 points on ES is pretty big, man. But it's not on the New York Stock Exchange webpage. Markets are open. It's not a settlement day though. Why is Facebook green? Cutting staff. Let's see. In the past 24 hours, 350,000 crypto traders were liquidated, and the total liquidations come in at 700 million. Race field, because I don't understand why people don't understand this. It's like, well, things can change in the development of the situation, and I told you exactly when I like came to that conclusion. Up until that point, everything was a go. Now, nope. So, and that was back in August, dude. And then people were yelling at me, and I'm like, all right, fuck off. Like, do your thing, figure it out. Let's see. For a reversal on the SPY, you could get one towards the end of the day, like a wild pop-up. I'd be very careful trying to time it, though. I'd be very careful trying to time that one. Oh, 3 likes away from 200. Thank you, team. Let's see here. See, tomorrow's going to be crazy, too. CPI, jobs report. It's going to be nutty. Oh, we cracked it. Thank you, everybody. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, so if they're covered call ETFs, it's a little bit different then. What would you look at for on the SPY reversal today? Same thing I usually would look at, the RSI, MACD, and see if it can get above a couple of key levels here. I mean, you're a long way away from this 13 right now. You get basically a whole dollar. But if you've already made a bunch of money today, I would not push it. You have a nutty day coming tomorrow, and it'll be fun. So get ready for that. Would be like catching a falling Tito's bottle with your nutsack. Dude, I don't even put that thought in my head because my finger is still fucked up from that. I still have a nasty scar on my finger from that day. It's nasty, bro. What if CPI isn't good tomorrow? Will the stock pump for any reason? Well, no, probably not. I'm ready for tomorrow. Rules kept me out of everything today. Been having a good week. Didn't want to fall on a knife. Jessica, very smart move there. NASDAQ crash and burn. Everything's crashing and burning right now. Tessie, new lows. Let's see. Tessie getting killed here. Well, just imagine if you try catching with your nutsack. Dude, I'd literally have like, no, I would be ripped open. No, we're not doing that, Squirrel. That sounds awful. All right. This is just crazy. The SPY's down, what, 1.63? This is just knife. Use a trailing stop loss. It's a manual trailing stop. Had 0.5, got stopped out during lunch. What limit? Yeah. So Matt, watch the stop loss video that I have out there. It's not an actual trailing stop. It's a stop that I put in there and I manually move, but I scale out. It's hard to explain all right now, but there's a video. I have a video out there called I think I have it up here. How to steal from market makers most profitable stop loss strategy. It's also it should be. Oh no, I don't think it's linked in this description. Here it is. Let me get this video for you. Yeah, but this is one you definitely want to watch. There you go. But I try to give it a little bit of breathing room though. Because remember, it's method, mindset, money management. Sometimes the method is going to give you a trade that's going to go absolutely crazy. And it's up to you to manage your money and risk appropriately with the correct emotional intelligence in order to be able to ride that move completely out. SPY trying here a little bit. Looks like death though. Let's see. But I had what I wanted already on the table, so all good. Matt, there you go, buddy. Let's see. Let me just give you my login. No, actually, because then you don't learn anything. You still become you need no, absolutely not. Ryan, dude, stop, please stop. It's just I can't mentally be like, yes, it's yielding 20% and be like, good to go. Mentally, it's like in my mind, there's probably gonna be nothing that they can say to get me to say yes. I can't do it. You can't tell me that it's yielding X and then I can come in here and be like, no, it's okay. It's so difficult for me to just be like, yes, it's okay. 3% Spy Scalp had to use the restroom, not waiting around. There you go. Post your login here. Someone will help you, or they'll just steal it. You have a 167.50 level on Tesla from a few days back. No, it can't be there because this is making new lows now at 178. This is all 52-week lows on Tessie here. Right, it just like screams risk at me, and I can't do it. Because even if it's a covered call ETF, the yield shouldn't change that much. How many call first kind to do something like this? Okay, fair. Let's see. Microsoft puts. I'm not touching anything right now. This entire thing is just screaming chase. I might set something up for CPI tomorrow, but other than that, burning it for the day. Sold one of two freebies at 314%. Squirrel, you fucking monster. There you go. There you go, buddy. All right, team. Let's see. Yeah, I'll take a look at the levels. It's just everything looks chasey here. I mean, 222, maybe. You could see it around 222. Let's see here. I'm pretty sure. No, Squirrel's playing dailies. Squirrel loves his dailies. Do I think Facebook will dump? I don't know about today. I think Facebook has already gone through a massive wave of selling. If it does, you could probably see it come back down to 100, which would be a decent trade, but still, it would still be pretty green on the day. McDonald's long term. I mean, people are still going to be fat and eat McDonald's, but it's still green right now. What's the algo up today? How did that happen? It's up like 5.9. Yeah, he's also playing on the 1 minute. It's nuts on the big time frames. Oh, dude, this looks like the banks. Look at JP Morgan. I mean, JP Morgan started to bend around today, but the JP Morgan's been looking like this too. McDonald's never dies. I don't think so either. One day we'll have the nuts size of squirrels. Well, you don't, I mean, stopped out at 240%. See, stopped out at 240%. So he's using the stop loss strategy, or he has his stop set. So he's able to let these things ride with some breathing room. So allow yourself to have those, what do you call it? Make sure that you're allowing yourself the breathing room for those trades to play out, because you can hit those. I probably wouldn't be trading dailies all the time, but Squirrel has so many nuts he forgets about them. Dude, I know. I know. Yeah, that was a good trade, buddy. 222 means it'll bounce or go lower. Like, should I consider swinging? No. Why does everybody want to hold shit overnight? Why? Unless it's free. There's no reason to be holding things overnight, especially with short times to expiration. You've got CPI tomorrow. You have the jobs report. You've had things already sell off. Unless it's completely free, I would not even come close to considering holding stuff overnight, because then you're just gambling. Even though the chart may look good, you have like no time to expiration, most likely. Even if it expires next week, look at this. The chart looks good here, but look what Microsoft has shown that it can do. Sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off, boom. Sell off, boom, sell off, boom. Like you have to give yourself enough time on these contracts. Guys, you have to get the trying to hit a giant trade out of your head. It'll happen sometimes, but that's not what you need to be shooting for. It's all about base hits. Sorry, Ike, if I kind of went off on you there, but got to get that out of people's heads. Just go to the casino and put it on black instead. Yeah, you could do that. Whew. All right, team. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to be wrapping it up here for today. I got some other stuff I got to take care of. But, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. And if you do want to come to the best place to learn how to trade, you guys know where to find us. I mean, I was going through a couple of our people's gains today. You guys are killing it, dude. So, team, I will see you guys in there. Guys, click that link. Come check us out. We have some pretty nutty stuff coming, and the stuff that we already have right now is better than anything you'll see out there in the market right now. So if you guys are interested in really coming and taking full control of your portfolios, come in there with us, man. I mean, there's a lot of people having so much success with the system and the tools that we offer. I want you guys making money, man. None of this willy-nilly nonsense, listening to people on social media that are just baiting you for clicks and views. You saw what happened. I tried to warn you. So it is what it is. Again, if you did get caught up in that, there's still time. There's still time for you to save yourself in your portfolio. Let's get after it, man. I will see you guys. Again, we are going to be doing that live stream in a little bit. 140% in a week return on the cost of the Discord. Fuck yeah, Jessica. There you go. So, guys, I'll see you guys later. Hop in there. If you guys do have any questions, once you guys end up coming in, shoot me a message. I'll help you guys out. But other than that, team, I'll see you later. Hit that like on the way out. Peace.